What if the money sitting in your trading account could work harder for you, earning up to 11% interest a year, cutting your trading fees, and even getting a personal account manager? That's exactly what BROKSTOCK Packages program does. And the best part, you don't sign up, you don't pay anything extra, it happens automatically. Let me break it down. So what exactly are packages? Simply put, packages is a rewards program based on your account balance. The more funds you hold in your BROKSTOCK account, the higher your package level and the better your benefits. Important to understand, this is not a subscription, it's not an investment product, there's nothing to buy and there's nothing to enroll in. Your package level is assigned automatically based on your total balance. Just as an reassurance, BROKSTOCK is an authorized financial service provider regulated by the FSCA with FSP number 51404, and all client funds are held in a segregated bank account, completely separate from the company's own money. There are 6 package levels and your balance decides where you sit. Basic, from 0 to 4,999 Rand. This is the starting point with no package benefits yet. Then comes bronze, which starts at 5,000 Rand. Your trading commission drops from 0.89% to 0.49%. and you can open up to 3 trading accounts. Then comes silver. From 20,000 Rand, commission drops to 0.46% and you start earning 8% interest per annum on your balance. Plus you get a personal account manager. Then we have gold. It starts at 50,000 Rand, commission of 0.42%, 9% interest, and up to 5 accounts, and you have priority withdrawals. Platinum, from 300,000 Rand, commission of 0.38%, 10% interest, plus access to private events. Then we have diamond, which starts at 1 million Rand and up. The lowest commission at 0.35%, the highest interest at 11% per year, and a special offer on top of everything else. Now, what happens when your balance changes? Upgrades are instant. The moment your balance crosses a threshold, you move up to the new level. Deposit 20,000 Rand today and you are silver today. Downgrades work differently. They are only assessed on the first day of each month. And here's the great part. If your balance dips below your threshold, you keep your benefits until the end of that month. Top up your account before month end and you keep your level, nothing lost. And remember, these are your funds, so you are free to transfer and withdraw anytime you want. Let's recap. Your balance automatically unlocks your package level. No sign up, no cost. Your benefit starts at just 5,000 Rand with low trading commissions. From 20,000 Rand, you earn interest, 8% up to 11% per year, depending on your level. Interest is paid monthly and your funds stay accessible at all times. So, if you're already a client, open the app and check your package level right now. And if you are not yet, opening an account takes minutes. Thanks for watching. And if this was helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.